Hello and welcome to Bird Barrier. My name is Michael Gallion, and today we're going to talk about 5 things you should know about cleanup of a bird problem. Number one is that bird droppings are hazardous materials. So homeowners, facility managers, anyone who is doing this type of cleanup on a regular basis, you got to be very careful in your exposure to the bird droppings. Therefore, number two, PPE or personal protection equipment is critical. You have to use HEPA rating or higher face mask and make sure that you're not breathing in any of the droppings or the debris. Another thing that people do not realize is that you can actually get contamination through the surface of your eye. Therefore, just safety glasses alone are not good enough for cleaning up birds. You need to have sealed eye protection like we show here. Number four is that you should use specific cleaners designed for bird control. This is my favorite, Dissolve It. This is a great product because it breaks the pheromone imprint, which is part of the reason why birds come back to a site. And not only does it get rid of that, it gets rid of the droppings, breaks them down, and makes it much easier to clean up. Number five is how the exposure risk really transfers to the human body. And number one way is inhaling. So before you start your cleanup, make sure you wet down the droppings so that you're not breathing in airborne dust particles that have the disease vectors in them. Of course, you don't want to eat or anything like that while you are doing cleanup. You want to wash thoroughly afterwards. You can get direct contact with dead birds, so you don't want to handle birds with your bare hands. You want to use proper gloves. And then also, birds can transfer diseases through mosquito bites. So if you're cleaning up a big bird area and there are mosquitoes in the area, you want to be very careful and make sure that you're not exposed and that you use mosquito repellents and things like that. 5 things that you need to know about bird control cleanup. To become an installer for Bird Barrier products, go to the Eventbrite link and you can register for one of our many online webcasts that we do for training, certification. If you are interested in having a system installed because of a bird problem, go to birdbarrier.com and we will put you in contact with one of our certified installers. My name is Michael Gallion with Bird Barrier, and we will see you at the next video.